Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys notice, I have a different background. Before I was in front of my window, so that way I get that natural light. So I figured that in 2020 I will be switching my background. So this is my background right now, and I hope you guys like it. And also the other reason why I move is because in front of my window there's usually a lot of noise, and right now they are playing some music outside, and hopefully you guys don't hear the music. And also I hope I don't get monetized because you know how YouTube is. But yeah guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to apply your makeup base. I think that this is going to help a lot of you guys because when I was a makeup beginner, I didn't really know what stuff I needed to do and what was the things that I needed and the things that I did not. So that is exactly what I'm going to do today. I will show you step by step on how to apply your foundation, your concealer, and all of that great stuff. So if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel down here. And also very importantly, don't forget to turn on your post notifications so that way you guys are notified whenever I post a video, because if you don't, you won't get notified. And without any further ado guys, let's go ahead and start this video. Okay you guys, so I zoom in my camera lens so that way you guys can know what's going on my face. So the first step that I do is apply my makeup primer. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the Maybelline Master Primer. This is the shade 400, which is supposed to blur and minimize your pores. So I'm gonna go ahead and basically apply a small amount in my hand, just like this, like very small amount guys. You don't really need a lot. So I'm just going to go ahead and basically apply it where I get oily, especially on my T-zone. Also guys, I forgot to tell you that before you even apply your primer, you had to apply your moisturizer. And the primer that I've been using is the Cetaphil Pro Oily Skin Primer. And this primer is supposed to obviously moisturize your face, right? It also has a sunscreen SPF 30, so that way it protects your skin on the sun. I also did my research that it is dermatologist tested, so that is why I really love this one. And after that, I'm gonna continue and apply my foundation. Today I will be using my L'Oreal Infallible up to 24-hour fresh wear foundation. This is the shade 445 Vanilla. So I'm just going to grab little by little and I'm just going to start putting it on my face just like this. So once you put your foundation, you can either use your sponge or your foundation brush. Okay guys, so my next step is to apply my concealer. Today I will be using the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. This is the shade Cashmere 360. Now we're gonna go ahead and basically set our face. I'm going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. This is the shade 20 Light Medium. The next step might vary depending on what is the makeup routine that you want to follow. Either you want to contour your face or bronze your face or do both. As of right now, my makeup routine is to bronze my face and that's it. I don't contour my face or anything like that. So what I like to do is basically smile and then right under my cheekbone, I will apply my bronzer. And then after that, I will go ahead and apply it on my forehead. And then I'm just going to brush it down, connect it with my cheekbone. And at the end, I will connect it on my jawline. So now my next step is to apply a translucent powder under your cheekbone to define your bronzer. So that is exactly what I'm going to do today. I like to use a lighter translucent powder. I like to use this Airspun loose face powder. I'm going to let this powder sit for like a minute and then I'm going to remove it. Next, I'm going to bronze my nose. Again, you could use the same butter bronzer. I also like to apply translucent powder right here on my nose. So that way it defines my nose just like this. And I'm just going to apply just a small amount in the center. And now with a clean brush, you're gonna go ahead and basically remove your translucent powder. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my blush. Today I will be using the Milani blush, which is the shade 08T Rose. And again, I like to smile, so that way I apply my blush right on the apples of my cheeks. And as you guys notice, I am going upward. I'm not going like straight, I'm going upward. So that way your bronzer and your blush will define your face. Okay, my love, so that is it. That is all the steps that I do to apply my makeup base. And literally it is that easy, guys. So I'm going to quickly go off camera and do the rest of my face, which is my eyebrows, my eyeshadow, and my lips. And I'll be right back with you guys in a second. Okay guys, so that completes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something on how to apply your makeup base. And basically those are all the steps that I do whenever I do my makeup. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn on your post notification. That way you guys are notified whenever I post a video. And without any further ado, I'll catch you guys in my next video. So if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel down here. Is it down here or down here? Wait. And also don't forget to click the bell. And also don't forget to click the bell so that way you guys are notified. And also don't forget to click the little bell. And also don't forget to click the bell on my just click the bell, guys.